Focus, focus, focus. No. Focus now. Is it popping enough? So I got. Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel. How are you guys doing? It's still your girl Divine Okonko once again. You guys should welcome back to another video. Wait, hold on. Focus, focus, focus. Attention on me. Don't look at what is going on behind. Just bring the attention back to me, okay? So you guys, welcome back to another video. First of all, let me apologize in case you're hearing any background noise. My babies are in the house. One of them is here already. Kids around, they are within playing in the background. So in case you hear any noise, please pardon me. And you guys, so welcome back to another interesting video. You guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. I love unboxing things. They're just feeling that comes with unboxing. So welcome back to another unboxing video. I'll be unboxing my multi-million multi-million decorations I bought. In my previous video, I told you guys, I carried you guys to went and buy decorations, but unfortunately my phone went off and I couldn't show you guys what I bought. So today I'm going to show you guys the things that I bought. This is one of the nylon. We have about 4 and this. So I'll be unboxing this one soon, but this was not part of what I got. I got this one from different place, so I'll be unboxing it. This too. Yeah, so let's just get right into the video. And I have my scissors here in case there's anyone that needs to be taught. I got. It's the glove for me. It's the glove. See the glove. See, I don't want to open it. Oh my god. Okay. So first of all is this. No. I've even forgotten almost what I got. Because this is like 1 week after me going to buy it. So let's check what is this side. I love unboxing. Oh, this will not be breakable. Village people. Okay, I got this. I got this this was about 5,000 something, 5 something. Yeah, I got this. All what I got is for this room, the setup of this room, okay? So, yeah. I got this cute. I don't know what this is. What do you think this is? Please let me know in the comment section. I just feel that it's fine. Mother and daughter. That this is the mama, this is the child. That is what I feel like. So, yeah, I got this. I was mostly buying the ones that are affordable for me because I was just hearing 30, 40, 50. So next is this, yeah, because the thing is all about anything household. Okay, I got this one too. I won't be unboxing it. It's just hey, thank you. It's just a towel, this thing. Yeah, so there's no need unboxing it. This is how it is. This is how it is. Focus now. Yes, this is it. So it's just for you to hang in your towels. And I got this surface wipe, antibacterial surface wipe. Why are you not focusing? Come on, focus. Surface wipe. So that is it for that nylon. Moving on to the next nylon. I got this cute. I got this. Is it popping enough? So I got this flower, this artificial flower. Sincere Flora. Yeah. So I got this about, I can't really recall the price again. Seriously, I can't recall the price. And next is this. I don't know they wrap this thing. Okay, this is my glass, this is my jar. I got this jar with this thing. The reason why I got this thing is because of these crystals. Yeah. So I got these 2 crystals. As I said in my head, that I'm going to turn it into the and then put this in on his hand. Mama, stop! I apologize. And thinking about it now, I'm like, who sent me work? But I shall look for what thing I'll use this thing for. But it's not giving me that vibe again. Anyways, what do you think I can use this thing for? Let me just know in the comment section, because all of a sudden I'm not feeling the vibe again. Can imagine not feeling the vibe when you already buy it. What would you do with that? So I got this fruit vase. This fruit vase for fruits. I got it about 5,000. Yes, I remember this one. For fruits. Because in my house they eat lots of fruit. So, yeah. Okay, scented candle. Yeah, I got this scented candle. Ah, this is smelling heavy. Smelling like bubble gum, raspberry. I thought as much. That's why I'm smelling it. Good. Ah, this smells so nude. Good. Then I got this. I present this award to myself, to my humble self, to my. I felt, immediately I saw this award, this was the first thing I went straight to. I'm like, I'm going to get this thing. I deserve this award. You might be saying, why would you just see? I just went straight to it, and I took it up like this, like that man that there's this. So let me not talk so much. See, I got this award, and yeah. So get ready to be seeing most of this particular thing in my videos, in my sit down videos. Just know that you'll be seeing this thing a lot. I just like it, seriously. It's not even because of his award, or I just like it. It's just there. It's just there. Just like the vibe of it. Okay? Yeah, this is very expensive, by the way. Very, very expensive. Let me not talk. So moving on to this. If it's African magic, Nollywood. Oh no, don't disgrace me. Careful. Don't want to open it. Okay. So this is literally, this is basically, Mama, keep it low, please. So I got this from a vendor on Instagram, yes. And I so liked it. This is for your jewelries, your wristwatches. It's here, you see, and here, yeah. So this is for like your jewelries, your chain. So I saw it and I fell in love with it because this thing is always moving from here to there, especially my earrings. I'm always looking for one of the earrings. So I just saw it and I liked it. It was affordable, it wasn't expensive. I was even surprised, and I rushed and I got it. This is so nice, this is so fine. This is so, and the feel is so something else. So this one's yeah, just a 3-stop something. Calm down, enter there. So and it can serve as a decorative stuff that you just put it on your table, your dressing table, and you'll be feeling like you've arrived. So over to the next slide on. So I don't want this video to be long, so that is why I'm kind of rushing it. Kind of forgetting it. Oh, okay. I got this. Oh, this is like a makeup tools. It's a makeup tools. Put in your brushes, your lipstick, your foundation, just your eyeshadow palette and all, whatever. See, if you're a makeup artist in the house, you know what I'm talking about. So since you people sent me to go and learn makeup, and I got a lot of makeup things, I was now looking for where I will organize it so it will look organized and look presentable. So when I'll be doing get ready with me, it will look so so I went and got this. So I got this, and it's affordable. So yeah, that is it. That is still nothing. So let me package it back before this children will just come and break it for me. Yeah. So yeah, that, like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. So don't be offended if you feel like I rushed this video, and I want to just take these children and go and attend to them. So that will be end of this unboxing. That will be end of what I got. I hope you enjoyed this video up until this moment. Which of these decorative items do you like the most? And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done that, and I'll see you all in the next video. Okay, catcha, kisses.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side, coming back inside my body for a second. There is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying solo.